Hi, everyone. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. And although we are not physically in school, most of us, we still want to find ways to continue to connect to school. So while we are distance learning for the next couple of weeks, I am going to send an announcement out on Mondays just to help keep us connected to what's going on at school. And then I'm also going to do something that I did last spring, which was give you a voting question. And I will explain that a little bit more when I get there. But every Monday, we always start our week with an all school pledge of allegiance. And so here is our pledge. So let's say it together. I'll put my hand on my heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, well, happy Monday again. And boys and girls, it's the last Monday of November. We tomorrow are starting the last month of 2020. It is December tomorrow. We usually like to do some fun little dress up things in December. And so here's what we're going to start with. Even though you are at home, most of you, you can still participate in some of our fun December dress up days. So we were going to start tomorrow and kick off the month of December with wearing holiday socks. So if you have a pair of holiday socks, put them on tomorrow. On Wednesday, we're calling it candy cane or gumdrop day. So candy canes are red and white. So you could wear something red and white. Or gumdrops look like kind of candy dots. You could wear something with bats on it. Thursday is kind of a fun one. Hawaiian holiday. You can dress for Hawaiian holiday. As you know, in Hawaii, it is usually quite warm during Christmas time and during the winter time in Hawaii. So we would do a Hawaiian holiday. And then Friday, December 4th is Byron Bear Wear. And that's kind of normally what we do on our Fridays anyway. So feel free to participate. So teachers also know that these are some of the fun dress up days. So they may ask if you are wearing anything special over the next couple of weeks. Okay, this week's voting question. So last spring we did this and we sent out a voting link every week, and there was always a different question. And boys and girls, you get to vote for your favorite. And what we'll do is today we'll start with voting. Next Monday, when I do some announcements, I will announce the winner of this week's question. This week's voting question is, who is your favorite holiday character? Frosty the Snowman or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? And you can click on the voting link and your moms and dads can help you either for Frosty or for Rudolph. All right. So go ahead, and if you need help, your mom or your dad can help you, or if you're with grandma and grandpa, you can go on and vote for your favorite, and then we'll announce our favorite holiday character next Monday. I'm kind of excited because I know who I would vote for. All right, specialist activities. Be sure to check your specialist activities throughout the week. So first and second graders, you still need to be looking at and completing your Phi-Ed, your PE with Ms. Hoffman, your innovations activity with Mrs. Demmer, your music with Mrs. Larson, and art with Mrs. Smithers throughout the week. So be sure to complete those activities and send them back on Seesaw. And kindergarten should be working on their specialist activities either from Mrs. Pompey or from Mrs. Crames. So even though you have your regular classroom teacher, please know that you still have your specialist activities. All right, boys and girls, even though we're not on site together, you can still and should still be a star. So even if you're working from home, be safe, use teamwork. Maybe it is figuring out sharing spaces if you have brothers or sisters who are learning from home. Always take pride, get your work done, responsibility, and show respect. I know you can be a star if you're at home or if you're in school, and hopefully we'll be back in school together again soon. So these are our weekly announcements. Don't forget to go back and vote for your favorite holiday character, winter holiday character. Have a great day and keep up the hard work.